Hi friends and welcome to a new session. Today we are going to learn MongoDB with Python. First of all, before starting, we need to know what is MongoDB exactly. MongoDB is a NoSQL database. It stores its data in the form of JSON-like documents, which makes the database more flexible and scalable. To learn MongoDB, you need to first of all install it. So you can use go to the website from where you can install it. You can use the QR code given over here on the screen. You can just scan this and go to the website. And I've also given the link. Just click that link, and be you will be on the website. So we have to just start from the website. Yep. So install MongoDB Community Edition on macOS. So just read this line. You may download MongoDB Community Edition through either the MongoDB Download Center or the popular macOS Package Manager homebrew. I prefer MongoDB Download Center. So let's just click this. So over here you see one download button. You can click this to download MongoDB or this one, and after that then you just have to go in your finder and go in your downloads. You will see something when it's downloaded. You will see something like this, and you will get an archive, and you just have to click this, open with. You will see archive utility. You can see, you just have to click that and you will get an extract of it like this one. Then you just have to click this and go in bin, and you can see lots of extracts inside this. You just have to copy this and just go in Macintosh drive. Just click that, and you just have to click that, and then go in USR and go in bin and just paste it over here. So now when it's pasted, you just need to then go in data. You have to create a file folder data. You just need to click that and go in DB. You just need to go in get info, and you will get something like this. Yep. And to make your MongoDB read and write, you will have to first of all click this. As you can see, I am not able to click this because you will have to click this lock sign and just give your password, and then you will be able to, your MongoDB will be able to read and write. So now let's test that is our MongoDB ready. Okay, so now let's just test it. Let's go in terminal, and we are going to write is just a test to check that is MongoDB working or not. We're just going to write MongoD, and you will see this, and then we are going to again close that, terminate, and then again write Mongo, enter. And if your MongoDB is successfully downloaded, you will see a URL coming over here. Let's check it on the browser. Oh, sorry. We just have to copy that. And let's check this in the browser. We are just going to go in the browser and just going to find that. Enter. And if this is the proof, it looks like you are trying to access MongoDB over HTTP on the native driver port. This is the proof that MongoDB is downloaded in your computer. So now let's move to our next topic, which is, so what is PyMongo exactly? So PyMongo is a class library in Python. It is needed by us to run our MongoDB commands in Python. So to install PyMongo in your computer, you just need to go in your terminal and just write pip install PyMongo. Yep. Oh, sorry, I did a mistake. I'm sorry. We will just terminate this and do that in a new page, in a new terminal, where I was going to write pip install pymongo, enter. And you can see requirement already satisfied. That means that I have already downloaded pymongo. So now we are done with this. So now let's move to our examples which I have made in Visual Studio Code. Let me add open in terminal. Yeah. So these are my examples. There is a Mongo client, my client, and this is the URL which we on which the MongoDB is working, and this is the DB under MongoDB which is shop, and this is my collection under it which is customer. So my list, I'm making my database. So my list is the for collection in this. So I'm going to insert this collection. I'm going to write Python hello.py, enter. And it has been successfully inserted. Now I'm going to insert my second list. Now I'm going to insert my list 1 collection. I'm going to write he Python hello.py, enter. And I've also inserted the second list, and now I'm just going to, oh sorry, I did a mistake actually. I'm just going to go above. Just going to add this over here, and yeah. Now I'm going to insert my list 2. I'm going to insert my list 2 over here. Oh wait, I did a mistake. For this, I actually yep. Just going to close my collection from here, and okay, now I'm going to insert my list 2. I'm going to write Python hello.py, enter. And my list 2 has also been successfully inserted. Now I'm going to now there's my collection. Now I'm going to do a query. As my database is ready, now I'm going to do a query. Oh sorry. Oh, now I'm going to do a query. I'm going to ask for the data of Tuesday. So I'm going to just write Python hello.py, enter. So, oh wait, I did a mistake. Actually, this was not over here. Yeah, no, okay. Now it's okay. Now I'm going to write Python hello.py, enter. So you can see I have the data of Tuesday now. Now I have done, this is how we do query in our database. Now we are going to just go to it. Now I'm going to update and delete from the database. Now I'm going to delete and drop my database. So I'm just going to run Python hello.py, enter. And you can see I have done, and you can see that, wait, actually this is a mistake. um let's bring a new terminal that will be more clear. Open terminal. Yes, so I'm going to replace first of all. So I'm going to replace one of my query. I'm going to just do the sorry, to just put this in a code. Now I'm going to update one of my query. So I'm going to write Python hello.py, enter. So as you can see, I have replaced role point. I have updated this. Oh, sorry, wait, there's a mistake. Actually, I didn't let me put this in the trash. And now we are going to use this. Now we are going to update other query, and then I'm going to delete one of my query, and then I'm going to drop. So let's just go in my workspace, bin terminal. I'm going to write Python hello.py, enter. And I have dropped my collection. As you can see, I've dropped my collection and changed my query. So So let's have a summary of what we have learned. I have followed the steps from here. Um, I followed the steps from here. The URL is same as in the slide. You just have to go through the step to install MongoDB on your Mac. There are three very important things that we have created. DataDB folder on the root of your Macintosh drive, and it has the proper read and write permission. MongoDB uses this directory. And now we will go in our terminal, and so there are two commands, mongod and mongo. Mongod is used for starting the MongoDB. Mongo is the cell of the command. Your MongoDB to use more. You can use the help section for this, like this. Mongo, and we will just try help and enter. And you can see there are lots of means keys over here which are to help you. So let's use this one. um Help, dbs, we have lots of them over here. So let's see a dbs. Show dbs, enter. So these are the databases that I have made on my computer: admin, clothes, config, local, school bag, and shop. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.